What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna do a little bit of technical analysis first for Bitcoin. Then we're gonna check, as always, the XY and USDT, and I will explain a little bit about where the supports and resistance are. And I'm gonna actually cover how to find good gems for the next bull run. But before I start talking about that, I want to warn you guys, this is just to find them, not to buy them right now. Okay, I'm not telling you guys to buy any of the coins that I'm going to mention in this video. Okay, but I have a couple of good examples that you guys can consider for the future, but not a financial advice. None of these that I'm going to say are going to be financial advice. Do your own research. Okay. All right, first let's cover Bitcoin. All right, in my yesterday's video, I said that $42,000 200 was a support until it gets broken, right? And you guys can see it's forming a head and shoulders, but it's not 100% yet. But there is a huge resistance in here as it broke down, okay? Because of this green candle you see here, right? As I mentioned in my previous videos, after seeing most of the candles the same color, once you see one, it could not, there's a high chance that it will not be broken easily, okay? But it depends on how low it gets and how much buy it gets and gets supported and pushes the price to the upside. Okay, so it all depends on how much lower and how much higher a price goes and gets supported from there or gets sell off, so for now, as you guys can see, Bitcoin has been trying to break above, but it has trouble. It looks like it's gonna form a head and shoulder for now, which for now, it could be looking like this, okay, but it could actually go back down, get a little bit more support, or even go lower, because the next support is gonna be around here, okay. So it might get rejected and go back down, get more support, and start going back up this time. But for me, I think Bitcoin is going to try one more time to go push above $45,000, but I still don't think it's gonna happen, because USDT has got a really good support, and this is the USDT dominance percentage, okay. Same thing happening here if you want to consider this as a reverse head and shoulder. And again, I don't know what's wrong with trading view sometimes, I don't know. Anyways, so if we get support around here, the price might crash even higher, as I was talking about in my yesterday's video. My first target will be around this area, around 6.36% of dominance, okay, because a lot used to go sideways for a while until it broke down, as you guys can see, okay. Or if it breaks below, that means Bitcoin and altcoins are going to probably gain in value, so it's going to probably go back down to try test these areas, which would be around this area for Bitcoin. All right, so altcoins, I'm not really considering those that much because of this crash, because usually when the big crash like this happens, altcoins get scared a little bit, or I would say investors would get scared to get out of altcoins, or at least hold on to see what the next indicator will be for Bitcoin, okay. Also, DXY, as I was mentioning, DXY is gonna worst case scenario is gonna go back down a little bit, so Bitcoin will probably get pushed up again, and this time it's gonna go back up. We have a gap in here, as I'm reminding you. I reminded you yesterday. All right, so now we covered that, and we're gonna go actually to coinmarketcap.com. okay. Last time in previous bull market, I found a lot of good coins, and they went a lot higher than I was expecting, which I had some of them and I sold them too early. One of them was Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu, when I found it was only being traded in Uniswap and Hotbit, and it was mostly decentralized, Ethereum decentralized exchanges. And so I got it on Hotbit, then Hotbit got hacked, and then my coins were locked up in there for a while. 2 weeks later, Bitcoin started going, Shiba Inu went up a lot higher. I only put $600 and it turned into $100,000 in a matter of 1 or 2 weeks. And then, long story short, I was too greedy. That's why you guys need to make sure you subscribe and you stay with me and learn from my lessons. Okay, you don't want to lose thousands of dollars until you get to this stage as I am in, until you learn your lesson in a hard way and in an expensive way. Okay, and so I lost the opportunity for Shiba Inu, but this bull run I'm not gonna make the same mistakes, and I know a lot of good coins that I'm gonna reveal one by one later and go review them with you guys later in my videos. But once I think is a good time. Okay, now I'm not gonna give it to you now. Maybe I'm gonna mention one or two of them. One of them is VIMP. As I said, just repeating, not a financial advice. Do not jump into buying this coin right now. Okay, there is a high chance of, it's up to you. Do your own research. Nothing is on me, okay? But this coin is one of the coins that I'm watching for some reasons. All right, there are some of the things that you need to consider that helps you find good coins. All right, especially cheap and good, has a really good potential and future. Okay, one of them is the low market cap, but that doesn't matter as long as volume is high. Okay, volume of trading is very important, not just for 1 or 2 days. You need to consider it for many days or many months, because sometimes some coins get dropped, get sell off, and so the volume shows like over a couple of $1 million, but because just because a lot of people dumped the coin and you see that volume being high. Okay. Excuse me. So with this coin, I have been watching this coin, and this coin has been trading over 300, 400, 600, even $1,000 in 24 hours. This is the volume, trading volume, okay, for 24 hours. You guys can see that it has been out since 2021, but after the Bitcoin's crash and after the bull market was over, okay? So you guys can see it used to be 13 cents. Excuse me. So it was 10 times higher than what it was right now, okay? And it went even higher. It went to 61 cents, okay? So there is a high chance of this coin. And this next thing you guys want to look at is the market cap is very important, because you want to get in early, okay? So imagine, a lot of you guys don't know how these prices are calculated. I made a video before and I briefly explained, but a lot of people don't know. They just go by cents. So that's why we see a lot of YouTubers make videos saying, oh, 5 gem crypto under 2 cents. And I'm like, 2 cents doesn't matter. You just need to look at the market cap and the circulating supply relationship, which means, excuse me, my throat is just, all right. Market cap divided by this number. You guys can do it with your phone, anything right now. You can just pause the video. I'm not going to bother doing it. This divided by this is going to be exactly this. Okay, you want to pause the video, do it yourself, go ahead. Oh my god. All right, so this is the relationship. So what does it mean now? What you should actually consider this. So imagine if this was $1 million and same circulating supply. That means this price was less than 1/3 of what it is right now. Okay, so imagine if you got into this coin and the market cap got to this, as long as the circulating supply doesn't keep changing very fast. That means this many coins are in people's hands. Okay, some people have 1,000 of it, some people have 100,000 of them. Okay, I'll show you in future videos how you guys can actually look it up and see who are the big investors holding these coins, how many percentage of it being held by some big whales. Okay. So what you need to look at, as I said, circulating supply. Okay, that's the first thing, especially with this check mark, which means coinmarketcap.com has validated at this number, okay? Because sometimes when it's not actually validated, it could be something different. It would mess up your calculation. Anyways, and so looking at this, imagine if this coin gets to $300 million. That's 100x, right? 350,000 dollars, right? $350 million market cap, which in bull run, that's nothing if the coin is successful, okay? The second thing I don't know if it's the third or fourth thing I look at is how many exchanges it is being traded on, okay? This is very important, guys, okay? I actually, by buying Shiba Inu a long time ago, I actually risked a lot of my money, which was almost $600. That was a lot to me, okay? It is still a lot, $600. But I put that $600, although it was just being traded in Uniswap and just Hotbit. And I bought it in Hotbit, okay? So, but looking at this, you want to look at how many centralized exchanges have added it, okay? KuCoin is a pretty good one. Gate.io, BitGet, MEXC. All of these are very good exchanges, centralized, okay? Even this one. I don't know that this is new, so I don't know what is. Oh, okay, it's not. The data is not available. But anyways, these exchanges are trading this coin. Okay, that's a really good thing. Then you guys want to look at the stars. That doesn't really matter. I don't really care about this that much. You want to go to the how many blockchains is being traded on. That means you guys can own this coin within these kind of blockchains, okay? And I usually care about Binance Smart Chain one. Let's open and check it out. Okay, you guys see how many people are buying it? You see this chart is keep going up. That means people are keep accumulating this coin. And 3,600 only in BNB blockchain is holding it. And this is the total transfers for it. Okay, I was gonna actually make another video for this, but let's just review this. I mentioned that I'm gonna show you how many people are owning this. This is the actually wallet address for the owner that holds 43% of it. The only red flag that I'm gonna tell you about this coin is that when someone holds anything more than 10% of a coin, that is a red flag to me. Okay, that means somebody can actually dump this coin anytime they want. Okay, this value is actually, this is not accurate, so don't care about this, don't pay attention. But this 43%, that's a high number. Okay, so they can actually dump this many coin with this price, and they can easily dump this coin. Okay, so that's why I'm saying you guys shouldn't buy it right now. But anything I buy, I just only put 20, 40, 30, anything that I'm willing to lose, and everything you guys need to pay attention to, okay? Anyway, so this is another way of finding good coins. The next one is their Twitter accounts and their social media accounts, okay? Do you guys see this golden check mark here? That means they usually, I think Twitter usually gives a gold check marks to companies who own or an organization, okay? And when they are validated, they get a golden check mark. They have 66 not subscribers, followers. All right, they are usually actually this way. Okay, they are usually posting, actively posting. They get good views, usually likes, and it depends on how much, how good you think the views are to you. Okay, I think this is not bad. All right, they are active on social media. That means they care about improving, and they care about marketing and getting more people into buying this coin. Okay, just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by this coin at all. This is just an example because I think this is a good coin. Okay, still, I'm not telling you to buy this. All right, so this is what I usually look at. All right, and if I actually, of course, you guys need to actually look at the website too. They have the websites usually. You go through everything, you go look at their if they have any like staking a service, or if they have any, if it's a gaming coin, you guys want to go through everything and see if their game is good, if they are fun. So because if the game is not fun to play, nobody's gonna play it, right? You go to read about, you go like read their white paper, their plans, everything. You guys need to pay attention to all of that if you really want to do a good research. Okay, you can go to their Telegram, see how many followers they have, how active they are, and stuff like that. But let you know, there are a lot of scammers. Even in the comment section in my videos, I've been getting a lot more spammers coming and just talking about like, oh, have you heard of this guy? He has helped me make thousands of dollars. Don't listen to that. Okay, don't just follow those. Those are spams. Okay, so this, I don't want to make this video too long, but this is, guy, I care about you guys. I want everybody to make money. Okay, I go on the street, I see someone nice, just because they are nice, I tell them, hey, these coins are good, you need to look at them, because I really care about, nice people. And I think you guys are good and you guys are smart. And I think everybody in this world deserves to have a good life, because this world is very messed up as it is, as you guys can see. Inflations, crimes, all those bad stuff happening every day. So I really want to make as many people as I can in this world, okay, before I die. Anyway, so this is an example of how to find good coins, okay? There are some more coins that I'm gonna reveal later when the time comes. So stay tuned, please like and subscribe, support the channel, share this video with your friends, and I will come back with the next video. Thank you.